Hello, my name is Cassidy O'Mara, and I chose the word icon, which is a comic word. According to Scott McCloud, an icon is any image used to represent a person, place, thing, or idea. And then I found an alternative definition that a professor at Indiana University used, and it was a visual sign that functions by resemblance. The rendering of most figures and objects visible within the diegesis is iconic. Icons can be said to have a natural connection to the things they stand for and therefore are motivated signs. And on the right, this is Scott McCloud's visual for what a lot of different icons can be, like just drawings of people, faces, animals, flags, musical things, different signs. There are two kinds of icons. There's abstract, which don't resemble what they actually stand for, such as like a dollar sign symbol because it doesn't look like an actual dollar. Or there's realistic icons, which do resemble what they actually stand for, such as cartoon people or hands or actual symbols that look like the real thing. Here are some examples of icons. There's monetary symbols like dollars, cents, euros. There's letters, numbers, cartoon pictures and doodles, mathematical symbols like multiplication and addition signs, musical notes, and speech bubbles. There's a lot more. There's pretty much like endless types or examples of icons because it's pretty much any drawing or symbol or concept that represents something. And yeah, there's a lot more on the right on this visual. And the relevance of why this comic term is important is because icons are just a broad term that have a lot of different kinds and are very relevant in every comic panel because the drawings are what make up the comics, and icons are pretty much any drawing that represents ideas. So hopefully that helped.